I need a shot.
Mbote na vino kumunangalizi.
Dodgy.
Alors lelo tozo sala jeu intitulé What's the lyrics? So this game is basically I will say the song in Lingala and he's gonna have to tell us who sang the song and what the lyrics mean.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
maybe
a little bit, yeah.
Take a deep breath, maybe freshen up a little bit.
Okay,
yes,
okay. Okay,
Go.
yeah, I'm ready.
So the first song, I'm sure you know this.
Okay.
The song goes Natambola na mondo yo na mona mwasi ya boyete.
Natambola na mondo. So,
Who sang the song? Let's start with
who sang the song? Fali Ipupa.
Okay, what's the name of the song?
Kanasik.
Okay.
So basically, he's saying that he walked on this. He's never seen a girl like her in this planet, on this earth.
Okay, great job.
Did I get that right?
Yeah, you got that right. Natamboli na mokili kasilelo na zilo bikote.
Oh, that's Makoma. Is that their name?
Yeah.
Can you repeat it?
Natamboli na mokili kasilelo na zilo bikote.
I think it's similar to the last one, but I just don't really know how to word it.
Okay, so she's basically saying, they're basically saying, I walked on this earth, but like I just never, like the word never gave me what I wanted.
Okay.
Okay, so the next song, Otelemi nayo na kwen, Osali nayo eloko te,
Okay.
Otoki nayo kutute.
Inos B.
Okay,
The song is Yope.
okay,
So basically, you're standing in a corner. You haven't done anything.
okay. Otoki nayo kutute,
Otoki, that's a hard one.
Kotoka.
Kotoka, I'll sweat.
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Just like I'm sweating right now.
Ma, zwa, seka moke, bina kuna,
Malula, yo, hey, what's up? What's up?
Okay, what's the name of the song?
I was just dancing to this song yesterday. That's damn. Take, give, laugh a little bit. Also dance there. I don't know the last part though.
Let them admire.
Okay.
Right, so how is your Lingala?
Oh, my Lingala needs work, but I think I did good. I tried my best. I'm not a beginner, but like I'm like in between.
In between?
Yeah. You guys follow Yekola Lingala on YouTube and Instagram. Yeah, check them out.